Tips on how to get your protein on a budget. The fact is, getting protein on a vegetarian diet isn't really that hard. Most people don't need as much protein as they think they do. The exception to this is if you're pregnant, nursing, have an injury or an illness of some kind. But if those things aren't true, you only need about 46 grams on average, and most vegetarians usually get double their needs without even trying. Having said that, if for some reason you believe you need more protein, you can follow these tips. Eat steel-cut oats. Try eating steel-cut oats for breakfast with some almonds sprinkled on top. Steel-cut oats has 6 grams of protein per cup. 2 tablespoons of almonds has 4 grams of protein. If you avoid topping it with sugar, you could eat 2 cups for breakfast with 2 tablespoons of slivered almonds on top and get a whopping 16 grams of protein just with breakfast. Eat snacks. For a snack, eat something like an apple with peanut butter on it. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter has 8 grams of protein, while an apple has about 1/2 gram. Along with the fiber you will get in an apple, that's a great energy-producing snack to enjoy. Plus, it tastes delicious. Add edamame. When you add edamame to anything, you add a lot of protein. In fact, 1 cup of edamame has 17 grams of protein in it. You can eat edamame as a snack, add it to all your dishes, or make a type of edamame hummus to enjoy with celery and really pack the protein punch. Beans. Most beans have about 12 to 17 grams of protein per cup. That means you can add them to salads, eat them in soups, and wrap them in a lettuce wrap and get plenty of protein that you need in your diet. Tofu. As you see, you don't need to eat tofu to get in your protein. But, as 5 ounces of tofu has over 12 grams, you may want to add it to your food when you're trying to get extra. You can prepare tofu in all sorts of interesting ways that improves the texture and makes it a pleasure to eat. Whole wheat bread. You may not realize it, but even bread, whole wheat bread, has about 7 grams per 2 slices of bread. Add some peanut butter to it and you're eating a protein-packed snack that cannot be beaten. Lentils. You might think of lentils as beans, but they're a little different. They're delicious, have a pleasant texture, can be used in all kinds of meals, and are literally packed with protein goodness. At 18 grams per cup, you cannot go wrong with putting lentils in every soup you make, adding to chili and more. Another thing, they cook fast. Seitan. No, it's not the Prince of Darkness, it's seitan and it's delicious. Plus, it's inexpensive to make at home. You simply use Vital Wheat gluten to make it. You can find recipes online for it as well as watch YouTube videos teaching you how to make it. Just 3 ounces has 21 grams of protein, which is amazing. You can make all kinds of dishes with this versatile ingredient. As you can see, there is no reason to not get enough protein. Even a bagel has about 10 grams of protein. When you truly spend some time adding it up, you'll see that you can easily get in your protein for every single day that you're eating vegetarian. And we haven't even added any dairy products, which are also good sources of protein.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's